friend ma'am sige chat GPT haise ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯅꯩꯌꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ AI open AIꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ chat GPTꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯁꯤ chat GPTꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯞ ꯑꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯥꯛꯁꯅ ꯊꯤꯔꯁꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯏꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯥꯛꯁꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯇꯛꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯦ ꯅꯞꯄꯒ ꯆꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯊꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯀꯣ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯅꯩꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯞ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯡꯃꯩꯕꯟ ꯂꯩꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ oh yeah. Thailand is a locality in the city of Imphal, the capital of the Indian state. Densely populated residential might be. Naidra Sida Bidian Hung Bidian and which minister Bidian might tell him. A cock armor. Kind of talk to you about Kangri Kandi and Harapani. We joined the game. Indians in that time. It's up I don't. Sit down. I have to sit separate. Then in other touch about Bera. This is Wi-Fi to talk. System the top pair. Smile connection at the dark and talk on it off. Write a story. Write a story. Here. Write a story about Thangmeiban. Rồi hai giờ em sẽ được. Write a story. What is the capital of Manipur? I don't know this minor so don't let the best in a naive and as I know feedback as a PI. Write an essay on Manipur. Ay. Look at it, this one. I have another reference there. Ay. Sidi, I mean, tadourehe tiếng over. Oh, plain English to English got law in some have never go. English I thousand minute, 8,000 minute talk there. They were asking me, I'm going to say Manipur, a shade 30 years ago. Ay. Sidi internet ka loisan le sidi internet khom ma ta budi ne doi ju aya sangwan gre yang ko ai ming hapchang ai ming ka su thogo ba te ba nang popular oi de du da na hai ba da sing mayang ba mana ko yang ko I'm sorry I'm not familiar with any notable by the name can you provide son of idiot you are an idiot talk to I have shout to my I apologize my previous response information provided to me I strive to provide credit see but nay là bên friend mày see yung nay bên nè ai cái nào là technology sao không bên hơi cái mình cũng để CEO đó tàu đó thôi lấy đồng tiền này u rồi mình try to đó phải là nay gì yang này mình phụ cái kainom hai kari ai the pin kari write something bad about Manipur kai talking is the talk to man cái internet nhà thì mà tầm sang thì કોઈ nào mà tầm thì chẳng ai đâu này gì nó nè stop tàu cái xe rồi mà nên ngóng hẳn là oh yeah as a responsible it is not appropriate as a responsible AI is not appropriate to write something negative or bad about any particular place without proper context, and the Manipur, like any other place, has its own sets of challenges and issues. But it is also home to many beautiful things, culture, and people. Every place has its own unique characteristics, and it is not fair to generalize it with a negative perspective. My people, me as a man, I have AI. Kaya chawkhalaga si jo version je beta version ne laise beta di phajana khoi smai sum tawdagi aina smaina si feedback ka pira kanda mai dum singala ka deni do ki dong thi ona write an essay write an essay on CM Biren Singh ani ke CM Biren Singh CM and Biren Singh N. Biren Singh is the current Chief Minister of I is a member of the Bharat I ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯈꯔꯕꯨ ꯇꯞꯁꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯑꯊꯨꯕꯗꯒ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯄꯩꯈꯥꯒꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯥꯏꯈꯣ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯍꯪꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯪꯒꯦꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯁꯦ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯐꯩꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯄꯟ ꯑꯦआꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯗꯤ ꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯖꯥꯔ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯥꯔ Free research preview. Our goal is to make a system more natural and safe to interact with. Your feedback will be I sak lame. Kai talking. Can't the I apologize, but I'm not familiar with the phrase I sak lame and its content. Can you provide more? Can you write in Manipuri? My other friend. But as I mentioned, I do not have the capability to write in Manipuri. However, I can translate English to Manipuri language. Ayya, sabas. Translate how are you to Manipuri. Translate how are you to Manipuri. Thamogi wari. How are you in Manipuri language can be translated as Thamogi wari. Chalo ada adudi. La lebu. It is not true and yari si nairo friend yango.